Mitali Group has been established since 2000 and has rapidly become a major supplier of ready-made garments from Bangladesh. When it comes to ready-wear manufacturing, Mitali Group is a cut above the rest. Mitali Group tells a tale of a company that has everything right about its people, its technology, its systems, its customers, and its location. At Mitali Group we endeavor to provide our customers with an exceptional service of the highest standard and quality, to guarantee client satisfaction. Today, Mitali's success is a result of state-of-the-art equipment and experienced personnel from the management team to the factory force. With a team of such quality, Mitali is able to run a highly efficient and competitive production unit, enabling us to meet the industry's continuous increasing standards and demands. As Mitali's reputation grows, so does interest from other countries.